Alright, going up, apparently at the top of here, there's a really cool rock where a lot of people like to take pictures that we saw online. I've been here a couple times. Cool rock. We made it. Everyone snaps a photo on this rock. I'll show you guys from a distance. Look. And this is the cool rock where everyone takes a photo at. I made it to our first sign. Pickle Springs area trail through. It's a 2-mile. Estimated walking time 1 hour.
And dangerous cliffs. So for your children's safety.
We want to do the number 2 with the dangerous cliffs.
Alright, which one's number 2, guys? I don't know.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
Another bridge. And then it's uphill.
And this is why they call it Pickle Springs. This is why they call it Pickle Springs.
Oh my God, you think this was a telephone pole?
We're going all the way up there. Hey guys, thanks for watching another video. Remember, I post new videos each and every Thursday. This was me exploring Pickle Springs Park, about a 2-mile loop, and hopefully you guys liked another hiking video. Wow, this is pretty cool. What in the world? I don't even know how to get below. Look at all the carve-outs. It looks like a face. That's what I mean. We got moss, leaves, and the path is completely covered and slippery. Be careful over here, it's slippery. I saw that. Yeah, a lot of trees you gotta grab while walking down. I just love it. Since I've been on this weight loss journey too, I'm down 26 pounds. I cut at a plateau, but man, this 2 miles doesn't really even feel like anything. But I just love nature. It's just so peaceful. I don't know what's up there. I'm just gonna walk up here and see what's up here. These must be the bluffs that we just saw from below. These are just the bluffs. We can come up here and take photos. Wow. Holy cow. Dude, this is crazy. What do you think about the walk, Mom?
I love it. Listen, is it done yet? It's long and fun.
Look at all the cool. Like, this is so cool. I feel like we've been walking forever.
I know
What's happening?
things give out when they're sore.
I don't even know if this is the path.
It is. I remember doing this one. Oh, you do? Yeah. Okay, then. Does it look like we're in a...
Oh, yeah, it does. Look. Yeah, it does. Just be careful.
But I'll bet that's one old plant.
Wow, this is cool. I like it. Like, I'm never this short. Like, I'm never this tall to be able to touch the top of a thing. This is pretty cool. I think we're at the very end of the hike. We're getting ready to head out. Got the girls behind me. And yeah, this is a lot of fun. I love all the moth. They're coming. I think it's just right around. We're out. I love it when they have this kind of stuff like this. Little logs.
So there's like chaos in the air.
I think this is it. I think we're done with the hike. They're completely done with the hike. Remember to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for weekly videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.